Cryptocurrency prices may be pulling back this morning, but this has to be viewed as an opportunity and not a problem. If you go out there right now and you read the news surrounding crypto, if you go out there and you look at the news in inflows for Bitcoin, you're going to understand that you are being presented with potentially the last opportunity, guys. We're going to go over some headlines in this video, or we're going to be talking about Dawgz. Dawgz only has 1 day and 2 hours left until this pre-sale is over. If you guys want to buy some, if you want to give yourself a chance to make a ton of money in this token, you've got to buy in the next day. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, bro, and as you can see, we got Dawgz on the screen. If at any time during this video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below. It's going to pull up this website right here. You're going to be able to connect your wallet, buy however much you want, and gear up for some very high price expectations. But first, let's go over what's happening, right? Because crypto prices are pulling back with Bitcoin down around... Where's Bitcoin trading at this morning? 61,400. It is down 2.5%. Shiba Inu coin is down 2.5% as well. Dogecoin down 1.5%. And Ethereum is down 4% on the day today. So let's take a look at what is being talked about in the crypto space. Is this a problem? Is this pullback an issue? Now, Russia is close to starting trials on crypto payments and exchanges. Centralized exchanges see $26 billion in Bitcoin and Ethereum outflows since January. And that's okay. People are no longer holding on centralized exchanges at the same rate that they are holding in their own self-custody. Russia's central bank set to legalize crypto for qualified investors. And guys, you've seen the articles about China doing the same thing. Cryptocurrency, specifically Bitcoin at the moment, is becoming legal. Countries across the globe are embracing it. We are going to be... Listen, you are still so early in this industry. It's hard to fathom, right? It's hard to think about, man, Bitcoin's already sitting at $60,000 a coin. I could have bought it 10 years ago for $1. It can't possibly go up any higher. Guys, the idiots who were buying and selling gold for $5 an ounce thought the same thing. It's a rock. Well, I can't believe anybody would pay me $5 an ounce for this. Now, where's it at today? $2,500 plus an ounce? There's so much opportunity here that this stuff isn't even legal in other countries yet. And when it is going to surge beyond your imagination. It's going to surge beyond my imagination. I have no idea what Bitcoin is going to be worth one day. But I will say this. We're at the beginning. Now, you can continue to go on. Bitcoin rally creates over 84,000 crypto millionaires in a single year. Crypto investment products see the largest inflows in 5 weeks. Ethereum whales buy big as the Ethereum bottom approaches, analysts are predicting. So many positive signs out in the cryptocurrency space right now. And as the bottom is approaching, as these problems turn to opportunities, Dawgz, with only 1 day left until this pre-sale is over, is offering another opportunity. Now, guys, I have bought into Dawgz. I'm actually excited about this one. They've done an excellent job of rising throughout the entirety of this pre-sale. They offer so many ways to earn rewards. 771% staking interest. Refer to earn. You guys can connect your wallet. You can share to earn 10% referral fees. And if you are interested in buying, you simply click Connect Wallet. Connect your wallet however you wish. And then from there, determine how much you want to buy. If you want to grab 2 Ethereum worth, you're going to be walking away with 635,900 Dawgz. You can also buy with Solana if you want. 2 Solana, you're getting 37,000 Dawgz. If you've got Avalanche, BNB, or Ethereum on the base network as well, these are all different ways that you can purchase Dawgz. Guys, it is an incredible opportunity right now because the rest of the cryptocurrency market is sitting there sucking their thumbs, waiting for somebody to come save them. They're not accumulating. They are afraid right now. If you look at this is the cyclical nature of the cryptocurrency market over an 8-year time frame. Nobody wants to wait 8 years, but here's the deal. It happens in 4-year cycles, right? And in 2017, you can see that we spiked up end of 2017, beginning of 2018. In 2021, we spiked up just 4 years later. And guess what we're doing? We're going to be doing 4 years from then. 2021 to 2025 is the 4-year cycle. And when we spike up again, you're going to have one of two things that you're going to say. Holy moly, I just made so much money because I was willing to stick around and accumulate. Or, oh my gosh, I can't believe I did it again. I looked at the graph, I knew what was going to happen, but I decided not to do it. I decided for whatever reason, I would rather have that mocha frappe latte every Friday instead of going out and buying some crypto. I would rather go out and watch a movie at a theater for $50 a ticket than go out there and buy some crypto. I mean, it's your choice, guys. It's whatever you want to do. But I'll tell you right now what I'm doing. I am accumulating like I have never done before. I know that this line is going to spike back up. And when it does, I am not going to be kicking myself. I am going to be celebrating. I am going to be buying more tokens like base Dawgz that have incredible opportunity to the upside. I want to know what you guys are doing down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.